A warm welcome to everyone. Myself Shreyas MC. Now let us do the assembly drawing of screw jack. Let us draw the body of the screw jack. Let us draw from its base. It is easier to do from its base. You can also do from its height. Let us do from its base. Go to the solid edge. Go to the sketch option. Select the reference plane. Let us select the front plane as a reference plane. Go to the line command. Let us draw the total diameter is 140 mm. 140 by 2, that is 70 mm. 70 mm. And the height is given as 20 mm. Draw its height as a 20 mm. And draw a line simply like this. And they specified that from this end to this end to this end it must be 100 of diameter. Let us take 100 by 2, that is go to the smart dimension command. From this end to this end it must be 50 diameter. Okay, now let us do this small cutout here. The thickness of cutout is 3 mm they given there, and the diameter is 100 by 2, that is 50 mm. Go to the line command, draw a line of 3 mm. It must be 50. Join this line to this base. Zoom this area. Go to the trim command. Trim this line. Trim this line. Fit. Let us draw its height. The total height is 185 mm from its base. Go to the line option. Don't draw the line from this end. It must be going. It will be going to wrong. Draw the line from its base. That is 185 mm height. Fit. And the thickness and the diameter, upper diameter is 70 by 2, that is 35 diameter. And for a line downwards of 40 mm and a small chamfer, that is, let us assume 2 or 1 mm. 40. Let's take 2 mm. Draw this line to end of this line. Okay, now let us observe the image again. Here to here it must be 10 mm. We can use the offset command to do this 10 mm. This can also be offset. This line must be offsetted to the distance of 10 mm. The total diameter is 70 mm. 70 minus 50. From this end to this end to this end, it must be 50. 70 minus 50, that's equal to 20. 20 by 2, 20 diameter, so the radius must be 10 mm. Go to the solid edge app, solid edge software. Now let us go to the offset command. In offset, let us select single. It must be single. A distance must be 10 mm. This select. It's going to ask which side it must be offsetted. Let us select this side. Okay. This also must be offsetted at a distance of 10 mm. Select this. Let's go to the extend to next option. This line must be extended. This also must be extended. Go to the trim command. Trim the unwanted lines. This also unwanted. This line must also unwanted line. Next, go to the smart dimensioning. Smart dimension. From this line to this line, it must be 33. Okay, from this line to this end to this end, it must be 66 diameter. So from this end to this end, it must be 66 by 2. That is the 33. Give all the dimension. Dimension is useful. If you done some mistakes, it's going to clear in this dimension. 220. Understand it must be 70. Yes. Thickness of 3 mm. Okay, I think all the dimensions has been given. From this end to 50, 33. Total distance 185. Okay. Now let us. All the lines must be connected. This is a symbol which represents a connection option. If some lines are not connected correctly, it gives an error. Go to the return. Next, fit. Let us select the revolve protrusion option. There is a revolve protrusion option. Select this. It must be select from sketch. Select the sketch. This is a sketch. Then select. Then it's going to ask the which reference axis, which axis it must be revolved. Select this as a axis. Okay. It must be revolved 360 degree. Select this option to revolve 360 degree. Okay, now it's going to revolve at 360 degree. Select, hide this sketch, hide. Now we should do this small round of 2 mm diameter, and here also 2 mm, and here also radius of 8 mm. Do that round option. Go to the round. Here it must be rounded up 2 mm, radius as 2 mm, and here also it must be rounded of 2 mm radius, and here also it must be rounded. They specified, they given that it must be rounded at radius 8 mm. Set the radius as 8 mm. It's not taken. Go to the round option. Select this end. Radius of 8 mm. Okay. Two mm. 2 mm. Okay, all the dimensions has been done. Now go to the file, save the file, save. Simply select OK. Next, part 1 body. Okay, save. This is the first part, that is body. Thank you.